Hello. Remember, we are on week 13, day 2, Tuesday, May 11th. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have two activities in async. The first activity is in Mel, would you mind? Okay, so you will do these three activities in Mel, would you mind? Your second activity is to a dilemma you have had at work. Okay, so you can type it, you can record it, like we have done in the past. You can use video to record, or you can simply type. Okay, and remember, a conflict you have had, one that you have had. It's Tuesday, so we have Zoom class together. So we'll be doing some speaking practice using would you mind, and we will start to organize our ideas for our essay. Okay, so we'll be doing quite a few things today. And that's it for today. Good luck.